How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Discord or basically any calling site disabling all your audio except for the actual call. So if I go ahead and join a call right here, and then if I open up something like my game or a music, I won't be able to hear that because the call right here is actually disabling the other audio sources. So to fix it, it's going to be extremely simple. Just search for sound on your Windows right here. So click on the sound settings. In here, it will then brought you to the system sound setting. Make sure that the main speaker is selected or the headphones that you are using. Same thing with the input, just make sure that it works normally. So in my case, I'm going to be selecting my Razer Kraken, which is my microphone that I'm currently using as of the moment. From there, let's head over to the more sound setting, which will take us to the sound control panel. And in here, it's necessary to just make sure to make default on your main speaker. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And then it will uncheck other sources right here, basically disabling it. And the reason why we're having this problem is because of the actual recording. Once again, you just want to look for your microphone. So in my case, it's going to be this one, the NVIDIA Broadcast Default Communications Device. Or if you're having a problem with this one, you could do something like choosing the actual microphone. So as of the moment, I have two selected right here. So I'm just going to click on set default on the Razer Kraken. And from there, this will then go ahead and simply fix the problem. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.